Alright, number 12. Suppose that a baseball is thrown horizontally from a pitcher's mound, which is 1.5 feet above ground level, to home plate located 60 feet away. The ball is released from the pitcher's hand with a velocity of 139 feet per second when the pitcher's hand is 5.3 feet above the mound. Alright, so we have the ground, the mound, and then the ball. So the ball is actually going to start 1.5 plus 5.3, so that's 6.8 feet above the ground. So this is 6.8 feet. And it's thrown horizontally. The plate is located 60 feet away. And then it asks us, ignoring the effects of air friction, and given that the acceleration is negative 32.2 feet per second squared, how long will it take for the ball to reach home plate? Alright, so the ball to reach, let's see. Oh, this horizontal speed is 139 feet per second. Alright, so the first question is just a horizontal question, so I know that D equals VT. So I have 60 equals 139T. Divide those two numbers. I get 60 divided by 139, and I get the T is 0.4 seconds. Well, we'll make that 0.43 seconds. What will be the height of the ball above the ground when it reaches home plate? So I want to know, I'm going to find out how far the ball fell, and then I'm going to subtract that from how high it started from to figure out how high above the ground it is to start. So I know that vertically VI is 0. A is negative 9.8. T is the 0.43 seconds, and I'm trying to figure out how far the ball fell. So I know that D equals VIT is 0, 1/2 negative 9.8, 0.43 squared. So 0.43 squared times 4.9 gives me 0.9 feet. So if it started at 6.8 feet above the ground and it falls 0.9 feet, so I have 6.8 minus 0.9 gives me 5.9 feet above the ground when it reaches the plate. How far did the ball drop? I think that's the 0.9 feet, so let's see if I did that correctly. Something's not right. Hold on, let's go back up and see what happened. What did I forget? So the 0.43 seconds is correct. Did I forget to square something? 0.43 squared times 9.8 divided by 2. I don't know. I figured it out. Because we're in feet per second, this number 9.8 should not be 9.8. It should be that 32.2. So this should be 32.2. So if we try that again, 0.43 squared times 0.5 times 32.2, and I get 3 feet. So good. This is 3 feet. It fell. If I subtract the 6.8, this gives me 3.8 feet. So it's 3.8 feet above the ground when it reaches the plate, and it fell a distance of 3 feet.